So we have arrived at the valet parking. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So after Utah, we returned to Las Vegas. So if you recall, our first night we stayed at JW Marriott, and then we moved to Bellagio to stay right at the center of the Las Vegas Strip. And now, after Utah, we returned back to Las Vegas, and we're staying at the Signature at MGM Grand. So this is a one-bedroom suite with balcony. I'm going to give you a quick room tour. And when you walk in, there's a full kitchenette on my left. So the full kitchenette got a full fridge, oven, oven, stove oven, microwave, coffee maker, dishwasher. So this is really a nice kitchenette that family can make some meals if they want here, and then with the two-sitting area. And then they have the dining area with 4 chairs. Okay, with the ice bucket, the water you have to pay for, I just checked, it's $9 US plus tax if you want. And then this is the living room area. The furniture, the silver is a little bit old-fashioned, and the furniture as well. But if you consider the size of the room, it's pretty good for us for one night stay. Because it's quite close to the airport, you can see from the balcony, actually you can see the plane, the airport. So it's about 15 minutes away. And then the balcony, when you walk out, you can actually see all the facility, all the swimming pool, everything that we can use from MGM Grand. Okay, and far here is actually the Mandalay Bay. Okay, let me walk back in. The reason why I talk about the Mandalay Bay is because it's where Four Seasons is located as well. So when I tried to book, I'm thinking to stay at Four Seasons for the last night, but it's really, the location is really out of nowhere, kind of. So we decided to stay closer to the Las Vegas Strip for our last night. Okay, so when we walk in, there's not just a powder room. You can see they have the full shower set up here before even going into the bedroom. Okay, so now I go into the bedroom. What I always check is, the thick mattress, whether it's good, the pillow, the linen, and everything. So again, although you may not like the furnishing because it's a little bit old-fashioned, but still is a very comfortable stay. In a way, the furniture is quite elegant, so to speak. Okay, so, and then this is a little bit odd to have a chair here, a work desk, but then with a TV. So it's an interesting setup. Don't know why they do it. Maybe it's a work desk, and then later on they put a TV on, maybe. Okay, so now this is the main bathroom with the jacuzzi bathtub and the shower. And again, this is the amenity. Okay, so not just the Bellagio, but this hotel as well, I think because of sustainability, doesn't have any additional amenity. They do not have a shower cap. They do not have sleepers. They do have the Con Air hair dryer, and basically that's it. And this one doesn't even have the bathrobe. They do have the safe deposit box, and basically that's it. Okay, so we're trying to walk out from the walkway from here to MGM Grand, and maybe we'll take the tram to Mandalay Bay to Four Seasons, because then we have covered the entire strip of this trip. Okay, so this is the wrap of the last hotel that we stay in our Las Vegas trip in June 2024.
Louis. Underneath that's gonna be our comeback dipping sauce. A little Louis salad on the side. And for this one here, asparagus, peanut underneath, shoestring potatoes, and on top of that, big old diet. Blanc butter sauce. Then they have warm peach tendrils in this beef salad, and then they put that nice thick brush of the miso. Anything else we can get you for the moment?
Good morning. It's 7:30 in the morning. So swimming pool not open yet. People not getting out yet. We are getting packed and then getting to the airport from the Signature at MGM Grand. So this is the morning view of my balcony one-bedroom suite from the Signature at MGM Grand.